Welcome to a peek into the future of manufacturing. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to explore the concept of lights-out manufacturing. For those wondering, it's an approach that operates with little to no human intervention, hence the name dark factories. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy, it's a reality shaped by Industry 4.0, robotics and automation. We'll delve into the pros and cons of this system and share some real-world examples of companies who've embraced this new era. So if you're on a maintenance or operations team, or just curious about the future of manufacturing, stick around for an enlightening discussion. Let's dive right into the world of lights-out manufacturing. You might be wondering, what is lights-out manufacturing? Well, it's a manufacturing philosophy that doesn't rely on human labor. The facilities that use this approach are often referred to as dark factories, signifying that they continue to be productive even when the lights are out. This concept isn't just something out of a sci-fi movie. It's happening right now, thanks to the rise of Industry 4.0 and advancements in robotics and automation technologies. Many activities that once required manual intervention can now be performed by unmanned machines. So, what are the benefits of this automation? The key advantages capitalize on areas of manufacturing that human capabilities traditionally limit. With less human intervention, processes become quicker and more precise. Automation can significantly reduce the time it takes to produce one unit of a product. It also minimizes the potential for human error in production tasks. Companies can standardize quality levels by removing the manual components of production. Automation has proven to be a sound investment for manufacturing facilities that have taken the leap into robotic manufacturing. But just like anything else, automation does come with its disadvantages. While increased productivity and precision are attractive competitive advantages, facilities should think twice about warehouse automation due to several impacts. One downside of transitioning to an automated facility is the initial costs. Existing traditional businesses tend to encounter this issue more than newly designed facilities. The structural changes and new equipment necessary for automation can add up to a hefty initial bill. Another significant impact of automation affects the human workforce. While automation can create new jobs in different fields of expertise, it also has the potential to displace human jobs when tasks are assigned to robots and machines instead. The rise of dark factories could also cause a shift in the demand for jobs. Now, you might be wondering, are there any real-life examples of these dark factories? Most automatic factories still require some form of human contact for setup and maintenance. However, some facilities operate with significantly less human intervention, using robotic arms and even robots on wheels. Some notable examples include Fanuc, a secretive Japanese company that is arguably one of the first to implement a lights-out manufacturing culture. Then there's Amazon, the technology giant that extensively uses robotic systems in their distribution centers with minimal human intervention. And let's not forget Philips, a company known for producing electric razors, among other things, that boasts of a facility with 128 robots and employs less than a dozen employees for quality assurance. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of lights-out manufacturing. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more of these dark factories lighting up the manufacturing landscape. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the concept of lights-out manufacturing, its benefits, drawbacks, and real-world examples. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the future of manufacturing. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit upkeep.com. Your support helps us continue to provide these resources, and we appreciate it. Until next time, this is Ryan Chan, signing off.